Right here's where they were last time.
Oh,
I
yeah?
had to cut all the dead, had to cut all this stuff away to get to them. But this one looks like they're right out front.
You have an extra veil in case.
Ed says he'll run the opposite direction we do.
Okay. You don't have to be fast. You just have to be faster than us.
That's exactly right.
exactly what I was saying.
I'd like to get some of this on film too.
I even got some comb. Just to kind of tease them a little bit. Wow, they're not hanging for much. It's a decent swarm.
Yeah. Not as big as the first one though. The first one was a bit bigger than that,
Mm-hmm.
which I guess makes sense, you know. Yeah, I'm not sure I understand Greenfield's philosophy. I can have 2, but I can have 3 during the season because of swarms and whatnot. But then when I start the next year, I have to have 2. So I guess you can count on the fact 1 or 2 or all 3 of them are going to die throughout the winter. I don't know.
Yeah.
But it was good that Janet and Andy and Sarah out of it. It was good that they, you know, we gave them good information.
Yeah.
What's your plan? Just cut the main thing off, and you're not going to let them drop, are you?
No. Try to lower them down.
Yeah.
Watch out. Uh-oh. Don't sting me.
That'll be all right. Just put screws in.
Yeah. That'll be a pity.
So where do you put them in your trunk?
Depends how good I tape it up.
Oh.